So right now I'm 48 hours into my 3-day water fast, and I'm about to share something fascinating. See this energy I have, this mental clarity? It's not what most people expect from someone who hasn't eaten in 2 days. And that's because I know some powerful secrets that transform water fasting from a struggle into something almost effortless. Hey there, welcome to Water Fasting with Nat. I'm Nat, and if you're ready to unlock your body's incredible healing abilities through water fasting, but without the usual struggles, you're in the right place. On this channel, I help people just like you discover how to make water fasting not just doable, but actually enjoyable. So after guiding myself and many freedom fasters through successful fasts, I've discovered the difference between those who thrive and those who just give up, which really comes down to just a few key strategies that most people miss. Now, these aren't your typical fasting tips. They're really insider secrets that can triple your results while cutting down the struggle in half. So, starting with tip number 7, let's count them down to my top tip. Right now, on my water fast, my kidneys are working overtime, detoxing like champs. And here's the beauty of water fasting. You don't need fancy detox potions or magic teas. Your body is fully equipped to handle the cleanse on its own. You've just got to give it the right environment. And that environment is water fasting. By hitting the pause on eating, you're giving your body just one job to do: heal itself. And guess what? It kicks it off with a deep detox. So to make this process as smooth as possible, hydration is key. Believe it or not, you can actually get dehydrated while only drinking water. Pretty weird, eh? So those hardworking kidneys are flushing out toxins left and right and center, which means more trips to the bathroom and a need for more hydration. So here's the golden rule. Aim for a solid 3 to 4 liters of water a day. That's 12 to 16 cups a day, especially in your first few days of fasting. So not only will this keep you feeling strong and energized, but it's also going to help you dodge those annoying detox symptoms like headaches and random aches and pains that you might get. And here's a bonus tip. Add a pinch of salt to your water, or go for mineral water, which has already got some sodium in it. And that's going to be a nice little electrolyte boost, and it's going to make you feel so much better. All right, so tip number 6. Day 2 of your fast probably is going to be a little bit rough. Just know that. Let's not sugarcoat it. The first, period of time on a fast can be a bit of an emotional and physical roller coaster. Your body's transitioning from burning carbs to burning fat, and it's not always subtle about it. You might feel tired or cranky, or even question why you thought fasting was a really good idea in the first place. But here's the thing. This is completely normal. Think of your body rebooting its system. It's shifting gears, it's burning through the glycogen stores, and it's gearing up to switch into fat burning for the fuel. And it's a good time to remind yourself why you're fasting. And even if you have to, write it down. These first day or 2 is the adjustment period. And once you make it past this period, the clarity, the energy, and the other incredible benefits are literally right around the corner. So hang tight, keep sipping that water and reminding yourself that you're stronger than the snacks that are calling your name. And bonus tip, humor is your best friend. When those detox symptoms show up, just think, maybe my body's just throwing a tantrum right now while evicting some junk that doesn't pay rent. It's going to pass, and you've got this. Okay, tip number 5. Make sure you take the 3 essential minerals. When you're fasting, your body isn't just burning through fat. It's also flushing out water and electrolytes like it's spring cleaning. So this is great for detox, but it also can leave you feeling a little bit drained if you don't replenish those essentials. So enter the fasting trifecta of minerals: sodium, magnesium, and potassium. These bad boys are the main players of fasting, and keeping them balanced can make the difference between feeling like you're a fasting ninja or a sloth perhaps that's misplaced its will to live. All right, sodium, aka salt, but make it a fancy salt. A pinch of sea salt or pink Himalayan salt in your water can work wonders. Sodium helps maintain your energy, it supports your hydration, and also keeps those nasty headaches a little bit at bay. Magnesium. Magnesium is the chill pill your body needs during a fast. It supports muscle relaxation, prevents cramps, especially those middle of the night cramps, and also helps you get some quality sleep, which is really nice on a fast. So look for magnesium supplements like magnesium glycinate. So this is a little bit more gentle on the stomach than other types of magnesium. And also you can get magnesium spray, which is pretty good too. So you can actually just spray it on the tops of your feet or behind your knees, and it will absorb into your skin that way. And potassium, this one's the key for your heart, your muscles, and your nerves to function properly. Fasting can deplete potassium pretty quickly, so it's important to keep your levels topped up. So coconut water is a natural source of potassium if you're not too strict on your water-only fasting. But if you are, potassium chloride powder, which you can get on Amazon, is also perfect. So this is a great option to add to your water, or sprinkle it in with your sea salt and you're golden. So staying on top of these minerals can really prevent the infamous fasting fatigue that you can feel and make your fasting experience so much smoother. So think of them as your body's secret weapons, helping you cruise through your fast while you're feeling strong and energized. No crashes, no meltdowns, just you and your water thriving. Number 4, prep like a pro, because trust me, winging it really does hurt. Okay, confession time. I skipped my usual prep before this fast, and yesterday, the first day, I nursed a monster headache because of it. Why did I miss my prep? Because I was living it up at Day of the Dead celebrations here in Mexico, feasting on everything in sight, and then I hurled myself into fasting cold turkey. No prep, just a body full of leftover Mexican snacks and wondering what on earth am I doing? So learn from my mistake. Prep before you fast. Trust me, diving into a fast without prep is really like jumping into a marathon without training for it. And you might make it, but it's going to hurt. And when you hurt, you really are tempted to quit. And that means missing out on all the healing that's going on in your body while you're fasting. So the main thing is stay on your fast as long as possible. So here's the magic formula I give my freedom fasters for pre-prep. It's called the Quad S approach. So it's smoothies, salads, stir fries, and soups. For a couple of days before fasting, stick to these beauties. They're loaded with fruits and vegetables, and they're going to help you clear out your system, lighten your digestion, and get your body ready and fully set up to fast. Think of it as giving your body a little head start. Clean it out, give your digestion a break, and ditch the junk beforehand. Trust me, you don't want to have last night's pizza or a taco hanging around when you're trying to fast. Okay, tip number 3, manage hunger like a Zen master. Now, in the first couple of days, hunger can definitely feel like a little bit of a clingy ex, showing up uninvited, making a bit of a scene. But here's the thing, it's not real hunger. It's just your body adjusting to the new routine. So it's sending you a little SOS signal that says, I'm used to snack time right about now, so I'm actually hungry. But if you stay calm, drink some water, herbal tea if you like, and keep busy. Distract your mind with a walk or a book, or maybe reorganizing that drawer that you've always been ignoring. And the cravings, they're going to be the drama queens of hunger. So 1 minute you're fine, the next you're convinced you need a donut. So don't fall for it though. They're temporary and they're going to pass faster if you don't give them any attention, a bit like a toddler. Just remind yourself, hunger and cravings are a bit like waves. They're going to peak and then they're just going to fade away as well. You've got this, trust me. So fasting isn't the time to channel your inner superhero. This is about healing, not hustling. So if your body's asking for a little rest, listen to it. It's not being lazy, it's being smart. Light activities like stretching, deep breathing, or even a gentle walk can really help. But don't push yourself. Your body is working really hard on the inside, even if it doesn't look like much is happening on the outside. Think of this as your permission slip to slow down. No overachieving and no just one more task. Fasting is the perfect opportunity to lean into rest, to recharge. Let your body channel the energy towards repair and detox, not just doing things all the time. Remember, even your phone battery needs downtime to recharge sometimes. So do you. You've given your body the ultimate reset. So breaking your fast is not the time to hit up the pizza buffet or inhale a huge amount of donuts. Tempting, I know, when you've not eaten for a couple of days, but trust us, no. Your body's been working hard at regenerating fresh stem cells. Now, these are the little miracle workers ready to repair and rebuild everything that needs some TLC in your body. Your organs, your tissues, you name it. But here's the catch. Those stem cells need quality fuel to do their job. And the VIP on their menu is protein. Now, forget what you think you know about protein. The purest, most powerful sources of protein aren't from meat. That's what the meat industry wants you to believe. They are from plants. Fruits and vegetables provide amino acids in their most pristine form, and they're exactly what your body needs to rebuild Rome. That is you. This isn't a meal. This is a grand opening ceremony for your stem cells to get to work. So if you skip the protein and dive straight into carb-loaded pizzas, here's the deal. Those stem cells will not become the repair squad that you need. Instead, they'll shift into fat storage mode. Yep, all the weight loss you've experienced during your fast could actually turn into fat cells. Not exactly the glow up you're looking for or aiming for here. So just start with something light. Nutrition-packed foods like a green smoothie or a vegetable soup, a fresh salad, something like that with some avocado. Fantastic for your body. So give your body the high quality protein it's really craving and make sure you ease back in to food with care. Okay, so now you're armed with the secrets for making water fasting not just bearable, but actually enjoyable. But here's the thing, knowing these tips is just the beginning. So the real magic happens when you put them into action. So if you're ready to take your fasting journey to the next level, you'll want to watch this video. I'll put a link to it in the description as well. So this is where I reveal exactly what happens inside your body during a water fast. We're talking about the science behind cellular repair, immune system regeneration, and how your body becomes a healing powerhouse on a water fast. It's absolutely mind-blowing stuff that's going to make you even more excited to do your next fast. And hey, if you found these tips helpful at all, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, because every week I'm sharing more insider secrets about water fasting. And drop a comment below. Let me know which of these tips actually surprised you the most. And remember, your body is capable of incredible healing. Sometimes we just need to get out of its way. I'll see you in the next video.